uDavid Mabuza i-Deputy President yakudalo balwela imali yakhe. I'm just like, David was very smart, guys. Uthi abamaze kade besho nje ukuthi yazi la muntu wayehlakaniphile, but ukuthi ashiye engayenzanga like a proper will, I don't understand. Bese umfazi wesi-2 athi no, I'm low man. But now the children, or should I just mention just this one daughter? Ngoba it looks like so far ngathi uyena phela. Obviously who's like sazoqhamuka nabanye basi nami ngingani kaDavid, uyazazi ne. I had an uncle, guys, who was supposedly now busy with men, right? But now uyabona ukuthi back in the days ngabo 1989 you can't be doing those things. It's just like ayibo. But someone would say umuntu ufuna ukuluka and stuff inwele, but ngathi wenza konke. You know, on the day of his funeral 11 children came basa ingane zakhe. I was just like, I'm done. Like, kuba lot, like, but I guess he was like a rep, so he used to travel a lot. It could have been his children. I mean, I don't think so. Na last na leyo nkinga 44 million ga David Mabuza, and I'm just like, High Court yase Mpumalanga kusaqhubeka ke kaDonswana indodakazi ithi lalela amphakathi inside leyo mali ngithi baba is my blood. Why mina ngabali kuba lumfuthi umfazi wethu, you know, ukuthi actually yena no mama they were not divorced. I'm like, I'm done. They were not divorced with the first wife. Manje the problem has been the lobola letter abakwazi ukuyithola ngoba ngithi kwakuyidala vele yini, and guess what is it? So guys, sort your things out. Ungabi nenkinga zongathola amalobolo letter, ungayithola izinto ezi-right. And there's another story sokuthi nalesi thing yelobolo letter they want to scratch it foot again. Baqale phansi and do it proper. You know, and be like, this is what now we should be using. So asibuye futhi kuDidi. uDidi ke manje umfazi lo wesithuka ke awuthole wonke 44 million. Alexander Forbes is the one that was doing the pension fund. But I'm just like, lalela kanjani ukubona lo nto le nilwa manje. There's still other things phela. This is just the pension fund. Yakhumbula ukuthi he had other enye imali isazoqhamuka. For example, Oma life covers. There's a lot going on. I'm just like, malini wa manje nisho ukuthi nje ushayana ke mase kuphume enye imali. But this is just the pension fund ukuthi he worked for the government, I guess. Like, let's just put it that way. So if enye imali uyabona ukuthi sazophuma and then sazoqhathwana on serious notes, guys. So basically into kaDavid Mabuza kazi ifanele beyisifundo, because abantu bayahlala and don't do their stuff right. Ajele ukuthi no, I'll do it next week. Ahamba umuntu kuxatshana kushayana. Inkosikazi isithu nje kodwa angiyiboni ithole yonke le mali. That's just how I feel because of the igazi phela usisi lo udaughter noma ngabe una 45. I'm just like, she's still young anyways, but she must get the money. I can see the mom, I see the first wife, but I've heard a story before. First wife ithola imali kungekho next kube le story sokuthi they were never really divorced. And ekudala uphela David was old, guys. So kudala benga divorce bekuthiwe ayi okay ke bye bye, let's go. uTamara umntana kaDidi uthi kwenzeka kanjani ukuthi mina ngingatholi ngisho isente from 44. Angisakhulumi nge-estate like I said this is, and they tried to explain it. So uthi I'm still at school, I need money. So what must happen njengoba sengishonele ubaba obenemali wanikwa sisters who's not even blood. This is why you says, which means like they saying good there was a nomination form kwanominatwa usisi lo wethu ashada naye. Now ingane sesikoleni kodwa guys, I mean lo mntana lo fanele ethole imali. Like, what are we even doing? At least half of the 44, guys. Oh my gosh, which means it's the 20. So the 20 ke mhlambe like 22 even fanele beyitholile kodwa lo mali ngoba uthi hawu kwenzeka kanjani. Ngiyambona kuma wami lungiswe nga divorceile noDidi. Mina njengoba ngisesesikoleni, what must can happen. Someone like saying that what must happen to me ngoba I need that money njengoba ngisesesikoleni. Imagine, guys. Bayaqedela into eHigh Court nganithola imali asiye ngalo ngoba uqala ayizasiye ngalo sengisho sisters lo beshade noDidi. Ngikhuluma ngengane. It's important ukuthi ingane ithole imali, guys. I mean, we're all looking at that. We just like, please, like, honestly. So guys, Didi was just nje warning ukuthi abantu abalungisa into zabo. Ngizoke ngime lapho kancane, guys, about staff food. That is very important ukuthi ulungise i-estate yakho. I'm not even that good in those things. But I have an idea because I've seen it happening even in my family. I'm just like, what? Senyalwake, ndwele izinto, ngeke. That's not right. So my thing is that abantu ababheka into zabo, guys, it's very important. Thank you so much, guys, for always watching this channel. Ngithanda over.